and move forward into faith. Hello friends, this is Shundel, and today's share is a reminder to each and every one of us when we are struggling of something and it seems so very difficult and we feel discouraged. Stop and move forward into faith. And how can we do that? Be a good listener of your inner self. Listen your instinct and find a place where you can contemplate, where you can pray, and where you can meditate. You have to find one word that is very positive, write it down, dwell on it, meditate about it, and understand that it's okay to feel discouraged. Understand the whole situation. You feel discouraged because life is so very difficult, but if you really understand the real situation, it becomes easier for you to put that discouragement away and move forward in faith. Be uncomfortable in silence. Each and every one of us needed to be in silence many times. Our life is in chaos. Our lives, there's something going on which is very difficult to understand. Be comfortable in silence. Stop all the chaos, what is going on in your life right now, and don't care the distraction that maybe you cannot concentrate because of that distraction. Stay focused in your silence and turn to your scripture. In the book of Psalm, there's a lot of verses there which can help you to move forward into faith. Just read the book of Psalms. It really comforts you of what you're struggling right now. You have to understand that we must make a way to move forward into faith. Consider speaking with others, your pastor, your counselor, or your loved ones you trust with. Help someone else. It's very important that you can help someone else. Look for other influencing factors and try new project or skill. Try to do something new when you feel discouraged. When you can find something new to hold on, it becomes easier for you to move forward into faith because you have faith in yourself. You believe in yourself. You trust in yourself that what things wasn't working for you, it will work for you for the better. So find something new, skill or project you can work on. And consider your career goals. Go for a course, go for self-development course, and consider something you can do, something there which will strengthen your faith. You have to understand that we must focus on prayer when we feel discouraged. Yes, discouragement is a part of our life journey. No matter what, the reason for getting discouraged, think about the Lord. Think about God. It becomes easier for you to understand all these things, what is happening with you when you don't feel discouraged. When you truly understand the situation, it becomes easier for you to move forward into faith. Think of the Lord. Think the good things in life and pray a lot. Remember, the Lord has plans for you. He has plans for you. Remember that in the scripture it says, live by faith, not by sight or feelings. You have to understand that those things is happening to us to be discouraged for a reason. There is a reason why it is happening to us, and that we have to live with. So therefore, stay in faith. Identify the source of your discouragement and move forward into faith and reframe your mindset. Seek support or feedback when it is needed. You cannot just stay in silence. You have to do something by pushing forward into faith, knowing if others can, so can you. So do not feel discouraged. Instead, move into faith and believe in God. The Lord is there for us. This is Yundel. Thank you for listening. Thank you for dropping here in my channel. I am very grateful to each and every one of you. I love you all, and bye-bye.